So, as Mohsin introduced me, I'm Kanika Khanna. I have a master's degree from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, 8 years of experience in distributed energy generation, 3 of which has been specifically in rooftop solar. So, we are basically a tech-enabled aggregator for rooftop solar EPC companies, and the technologies that we provide them will help them do faster site surveys and finance projects through a simple mobile-based app. So let's say that somebody wants to install a rooftop solar power plant. How do they go about it? They go online and maybe look for rooftop solar company in Bangalore, and a few of these companies would respond. Many of those companies have their own marketing activities which are time consuming, and once they do respond to a query, lots of which are fake actually in today's industry. Anybody who's been in the rooftop segment will say almost 40 to 50 are percent of the queries are people who are trying to understand the segment. They'll do a site survey which is time consuming and labor intensive. So you have a site survey engineer, you have somebody in the back end drawing layouts, and you have somebody who's actually sizing the system. As far as coming to installation, the structure today on every single rooftop, it's designed and customized to that rooftop, an unneeded complexity in much smaller systems. And finally, the biggest drawback for rooftop solar in today's date is that there's no maintenance. There's no way to gauge, there's no pulse to say whether it's working or not. So that's the problem. Small and medium solar integrators, they need a way to address customers quickly and effectively with a certain level of quality and trust of a brand backing them. It's primarily a B2B service industry for these rooftop solar companies. We're trying to inch closer to the commodity or a B2C segment. The main issues that we identified for moving towards a B2C is that there needs to be a gateway for quality. There are too many companies out there and nobody trusts the segment just because there's no gateway for quality. So let's say that you go on an Amazon, for example, and you buy a product of Amazon. You know that if you don't like it, they're going to take it back. You can ship it back. There's no gold standard or there's no reference for pricing. So in the US, for example, for second-hand cars or new cars even, you have the Carfax report that you trust, that the price of this car is going to be XYZ, and then people haggle basis of that report. So we'd like to offer something where people know that this is the price of a rooftop solar power plant in this location. And finally, market access and visibility needs to be increased. So to address all of these 3 major concerns, the solution or the platform that we have visualized and started working on is the Sankalp platform. There is going to be marketing or lead generation via an online platform. There's this engineering app, and that's really the pet of the project. The engineering app in today's date, and we have screenshots that I'd be happy to share later. You can stand in the center of a roof, click at the 4 corners consecutively, and get an automated layout and an instant pricing right then and there that you can email to your customer. So EPC companies do not need 3 different kinds of resources. They just need a low skill guy, and site survey cost goes down from 30,000 rupees per acquisition to 3,000 rupees per acquisition using this. We're working on a procurement platform, and we are in discussions with several vendors. So the idea here is to pre-vet the products that are going to be on this platform, and we're going to be clustering the orders from all of these local installers who are our customers and effectively provide cheaper pre-vetted products to them. The construction part of it has been time consuming, and we've broken that down into a modular structure that is flat top shippable like IKEA, like furniture. Literally you open it up on the rooftop like you would open up a stand used for drying clothes and hang the panels onto it. Maintenance, we want to take some liability for maintenance here. Individuals can purchase an AMC contract off our platform that is backed by Sankalp Energy. So let's say that there's a shortfall in generation. To a limited extent, we will pay you for it. And finance, finally we are offering finance, and we're in advanced stages of discussion. I was in Bombay just last week, and 3 listed finance companies have expressed interest to offer long-term concessional finance through our platform. So market opportunity is immense. Anmol had mentioned 7,000 EPC companies. We only estimated 3,000. I guess we were conservative. In terms of competition, there are those big EPC companies and lead generation platforms. The benefit that we offer is that we have tools for quick cost assessments, and we are bringing these small EPC companies onto our EPC platform. So momentum and traction so far. I launched Sankalp Energy in January of 2012 as a pure play EPC company, and we pivoted this January. We came on with 4 EPC companies as our customers. We got a grant from Infuse in January. By Feb, we designed the key components, including the app and the flat top shippable mounting structures. In March, we had 124 leads generated in our CRM with 0 spend on marketing. 2 angels have committed investment. 3 listed financial institutions are having advanced discussions with us for this platform. We also launched our online quote platform to be the gold standard for pricing, so that anybody can go online, including the end client, including an EPC player, and say that this is the fair market value. In terms of market approach, we are an MNRE channel partner, so there are a lot of players going out there requesting for fake quotes, and we welcome that now through the platform, that come ask us for quotes. That's actually good for us. That's the way for these new entrants to understand the market. That's huge unserved need. Marketing channels will be online, email, offline industry events, and it will be a focused city by city development. So in 2015, we're looking at Delhi, Chandigarh, Mumbai and Bangalore. 2016, top 25 tier 1 cities. The vision 2018 is to have end consumers use our app. So let's say that you want a rooftop solar power plant, you just download the Sankalp app and do the survey on your own, considering the market is mature enough. So that's our team. I talked about myself. Gautam from BITS Pilani is our business development head. Tanya used to work with Bridge to India, and she was heading their India Goes Solar platform. Kanav is advising us on finance, and he's from the World Bank. We are looking at GMVs of 3,000 crores almost by 2020 in terms of volumes through the platform, and 118 crores in terms of revenue, and we're looking to raise about 2.5 crores through different venues right now. That's it. Questions, please? I guess I answered all the questions.
I'll ask one. So how do you differentiate yourself from, say, Solar Easy?
Easy Solar?
Easy Solar.
I think it's the application that is instant at the moment. So you don't need to upload any kind of drawings. You literally take the app, stand on the roof, click, 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 and you have an layout made right away, right then and there. And you can email a quote through that to your client. That is one of the biggest differentiators. And also we are taking, we want to own the quality. So I think that's just a difference in terms of approach, but we are heavily relying on this maintenance part of it, that you purchase an AMC of the system. We want people to trust rooftop solar, and we are saying that if you have a shortfall in generation and you've purchased an AMC from us, to a limited amount of that AMC, we're going to reimburse you for the shortfall in generation. So I think that, and then the construction part of it is where we are different, where we have these modular structures. If let's say it's residential solar, you don't need to design a structure. You don't need that much of a detailed engineering. All that we have learned in terms of engineering, designing structures for 150 kmph, ballasted based structures, all of that it's flat top shippable IKEA structures, and the implementation time is 8 hours versus 1 week.
How many installs have you had on this?
So the construction is now in prototype. The mounting structure is in prototype. We've done rooftop solar for about 3 years.
That's like a traditional.
Yeah.